Alright then, so we were at Kellswater North level crossing in County Antrim, and I have some extreme terrible news. I'm afraid that Kellswater South has gone faulty. Now it's that one there with the double lights are has gone faulty. It's just really fast and dodgy, so it is, which is not really good. But we'll be going to that one next. So we're doing this as the other way around, since it gets dark earlier. So I'll see you when that one goes off. And the question goes. Alright, so Kellswater North is going off. Did the alarm just started late? It sounded like the alarm started late, so good. I can hear the faulty alarm here, and this alarm here is still flat tone, I think. Am I right? Am I right? Is it gonna be a flat tone? Totally agree, it's past the flat tone once again. Anyways, here, Kellswater North level crossing, you can see Antrim and Antrim. That's so perfect. It's been a year since this alarm here has been flat tone, but it's nothing changed yet. Anyways, time now is 14:58, and this way 1600, and this is from, I think it's from Griffith Street to Port Rush. I hope jumping won't be faulty right here, but it's been flat tone too. If you want to the Darland there, you give me a blast, but somebody doesn't scare me. These alarms here don't really seem as loud. I think there's a UWC crossing up there, I think I've seen it on my page. Because I can find that station over there, but I don't think it is. Like, here's like you guys have seen that.